It's been 9 months since we started building our dream home in Davao City, and here's where we are today. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're a Filipino-British couple building our dream home from scratch here in the Philippines. We started building in August 2024. This is month 9 of our house construction journey, and a lot has changed. In this video, we'll show you our completed ceiling cladding, solar panel setup, tiling updates, and so on. We love the white and walnut brown colors on the garage ceiling. You'll see more of this color combination when the interiors are completed in the coming weeks.
So the solar panels should be all hooked up within the next week, and handover is going to be next week, I believe. We've still got one or two things to sort out. There's a cable up on the roof that needs adjusting, just needs moving back underneath the panels, I think you wanted to do. But yeah, all good.
All the 18 panels have been installed now as well, so it's good. Shall we go inside? Yeah. Pathway is good, the wall is up as well. Just need to do the final finishing on that. Finally put the steps on the entrance area. That's the way. The cladding on the ceiling took longer as they have to wait for the electricals to be installed first, but we're happy with the result. They've also started the work on the staircase handrails. So all the ceiling are finally completed, right?
Yeah, ceiling's pretty much done. Still some painting to be done. Still some spotlights that need repositioning, but the majority are in place now. The pantry will probably be the last thing to get sorted. This dressing room area looks quite spacious actually, but I suppose we'll lose some space when we get the cabinetry in and all the rest of it, but yeah, I think Ursula will be happy with the dressing room area for herself.
Where are we going next? Balcony, Lanai? Lanai? Nothing much happening on the Lanai. They're focusing on the second floor for now, so they're going to work, complete the upstairs first and then come down.
Well, they'll work from now that the building's been done, the main structural works are done, building from the bottom up. Now they're working from the top down, so everything at the bottom doesn't get messy with all the work that's got to go upstairs for flooring and tiling, and all the cabinetry works that's got to go upstairs as well.
Let's go upstairs.
got some what looks like a cross between lino and tarpaulin to cover the tiles that they've put down so far.
For the general flooring upstairs and downstairs, we went with a light neutral tile for a clean finish.
And then bedroom 2 is probably the furthest along with the flooring and everything. Flooring is looking really good. A bit further on than all the other rooms at the moment.
Does look nice, right?
Yeah.
There's something going on here for the curtain. I don't know what it's called. That.
Covering.
Yeah. It's good.
Where's the gardener? The gardener's still there.
Yes.
No. Gardeners are having a break.
Team of the gardeners there. Malcolm is saying hi to his friends. There they are.
We've got a traffic jam over there.
Loads of gardeners. Right, let's go to the
So you can pass the bathroom and then bedroom 1.
the bathroom, yes. And then to the bedroom 1. Again, they've started the tiling here. Hiya!
Hey. The storeroom at the back there, the opening will be filled with some glass paneling. There's no sort of real lights in there, so we need some daylight.
Right, you stay there on the balcony because I'm coming out there.
Yeah, the tiles are pretty good now on the balcony. A few more to do and the end wall. So again, it's all going to be done over the next couple of weeks. But the tiles are almost like a non-slip, bit of a texture finish to it.
The balcony front wall is still bare at the moment, but the entire front face will be clad in stone, which will add texture and natural look.
We absolutely love the high ceiling up here. It really opens up the space and makes everything feel so much more spacious and airy.
Good progress.
Yeah. Cloudy on the mountains this morning, we had some rain. But it doesn't look like they've had that much rain here because, oh yeah, maybe they have. Just dried quickly on the balcony, isn't it, I think?
Yep.
And we have 2 new neighbours. 2 new houses going up, one at the end of the street there and one just to the left. That's it now for our 9-month house build update. We're slowly getting there. In case you're wondering, the lot size is 240 square metres and the total floor area of the house, including the garage, is around 220 square metres. We really appreciate all of you following along on this journey. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more updates. We've still got so much more to share. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.